This video is going to be going over defense creation in FootballU and how to build out your playbook and create a defense. I should preface this by saying you do not have to go in and build out your entire defense in the playbook itself. Really, I would recommend creating a base set of alignments under your defense, and then use that to be able to visualize against the whiteboard, in the whiteboard against any offensive play. This way, you can then go in and drag out the post-snap responsibilities for the coverage guys based on whatever the offensive play is on that play, right? We can do that exact same process whenever we're creating a practice script. We can just visualize whatever defense we have. And then when you're creating that script to assign out to your players, you can just draw up the offensive play and then draw up the coverage behind that of what you guys want, of how you want your guys covering on that play. So that's how I recommend building out your defense. Really just use your playbook for your alignments. If you want to draw up some blitz pass and your pressure pass with that as well, you can do that. But in terms of your coverage and how that'll adjust out against different formations and offensive plays, I would really recommend building out the coverage piece of that within the practice script itself, or to assign out in a folder and give that to your players as well. Creating a defense in FootballU is very similar to creating an offensive play. We can just go into playbook and then create new defense in the top right-hand corner once we select defense. And then from there, we can drag the defensive players to match their alignments and then drag out any post-snap responsibilities. We can also go in and add text under a player as well and style that however we want to as well. Once our playbook is created, we can save that to our playbook, and that will be available for us anytime in the future to be able to visualize against any offensive play. If we go into the whiteboard, let's say, and here's that 3 sky defense that I just created, we can visualize that, and then we can also go in and visualize any offensive play against that and see that in real time.